In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import project in Base4. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to bring your project files into the right place without any confusion. First, open your browser and head to the Base4 web app. This takes you straight into the workspace where you'll manage your apps and content. Once the page loads, you'll see the main navigation. We'll be working from there. Next, click on Apps. This opens the area that lists the apps connected to your workspace. Think of this as your dashboard of projects. If you have a lot of items, take a second to scan or use the search within this view to get to the right one more quickly. Keeping your workspace tidy makes this part much faster. Now, click on the app where you want to import your project. This action opens the editor view for that specific app, so anything you add will live within this app's structure. Make sure you're in the correct app before moving on because your uploads will appear here once the import is complete. Inside the editor, look to the left side of the screen for a small plus sign. Click that plus sign, then choose Upload from Computer. The plus sign is your entry point for adding new items, and Upload from Computer is the option that lets you bring in files stored locally. If you don't see the plus sign immediately, hover your mouse over the left panel and it should appear. A file picker window will open. Navigate to the folder on your computer that contains the project files you want to import. Select the file or files, then click Open. If you're importing multiple items, you can usually select more than one at a time. Keep the browser tab open while the upload runs and watch for any progress indicator. Larger files may take a little longer, so a stable internet connection helps. If you notice an unexpected file type or the wrong version, cancel in the picker and choose the correct one before confirming. Once the upload finishes, look for your newly added items in the left panel of the editor. Seeing them listed there confirms the import was successful. If something doesn't appear, refresh the page and check again. It's also a good idea to keep file names clear and consistent so they're easy to find later. That's it. You went to Base44, opened the apps area, selected the right app, used the plus sign to choose Upload from Computer, and then selected your files to import. Thanks for watching and great job getting your project into Base44.